Hi guys, this is Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing for delivery today on Valentine's Day. How about that? And this is from DHL delivery. And this is, if I remember correctly, I believe this is for monomer for acrylic nails. I am a licensed manicurist in the state of Michigan. I have been for about 20 years now, 19. And I really just got into it as an additional income, not really anything to make a career out of. Originally, it was going to be just like what I fell back on when I was actually working in telecommunications to the phone company. But let's see. Yes, Glitterbell. Glitterbells. And I actually saw this on somebody's page. I don't know if somebody I know was using the products or what, but I looked at it and went on the website. So let's see. I want to start kind of dibbling and dabbling back in nails, since I have a table and everything that goes with manicuring. I have it already in my basement. So I'll probably do a video on that too, because yeah, I have a table that I probably paid $400 or $500 for at least 10 years ago, if not longer than that. But yes, this is acetone, 250 mLs. This is not what I thought I was getting. I was supposed to have been getting monomer. Yeah, this is to remove tips. This is not what I wanted. I don't even think this is what I asked for. But we're going to try it and see how it works. I think I just will need the additional products to go with it. How about that? Thank you for your purchase. It's a pack date 10/02/27. They don't say 21, but I ordered. Okay. We hope you like your product. Nails by Annabelle. Well, if it was what I ordered, don't worry, we're here to help. You get it sorted right straight away. Yeah, I might have to call you guys, because I don't think I ordered acetone. Why would I order acetone? And just keep in mind, guys, shipping and handling, this actually came from United Kingdom. So shipping and handling from the UK for an item that was $3.75, I paid $18.75. Ridiculous. But it's all for the sake of trying out a new product, seeing how it works, and giving a review. So tune back in. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day. See you next time.